know a lot of people are hungry, so I appreciate you all for being here and listening to my talk today on the convergence of AI and IoT. My name is Tiffany, and I am the founder of Takeoff and Tiffin Tech. I started Tiffin Tech with the mission to make tech accessible to all, inspiring others to break into the industry, and also make tech concepts easier for everyone to understand. Today, we're going to explore two technologies that are shaping our world: the convergence of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. These technologies are not just changing the devices we use, they're fundamentally altering how we interact with the digital world, and by extension, how we live our daily lives. But first, what is IoT? IoT, or the Internet of Things, is a term for everyday objects that can connect to the internet and talk to each other. These objects have special technology built into them and share it online, often without needing a person to tell them to do so. Think of it like giving regular things like your fridge, your car, or even your dog's collar the ability to go online and share what they know, just like your phone or computer can. We're witnessing a profound shift in how we interact with technology. Gone are the days where our digital experiences were confined to screens and keyboards. Today, we're entering an era of ambient intelligence, where the environment itself becomes the interface. To understand ambient intelligence, think of it like a good butler in a fancy house. Just as a butler anticipates your everyday needs, maybe prepares your favorite drink before you ask, and ensures everything in the house runs smoothly without you having to give it constant instructions, ambient intelligence in our homes works silently, in the background, anticipating every single need. Imagine walking into your home after a long day. The lights automatically adjust to your preferred evening setting, your favorite playlist starts playing softly, and the temperature adjusts to your favorite comfort level. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of smart homes powered by AI and IoT. And these smart homes are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's take Samsung's SmartThings ecosystem as an example. It connects and controls a wide range of smart devices, from refrigerators to washing machines, creating a seamless, interconnected home environment. Your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or Galaxy Watch can act as a hub, allowing you to monitor and control your entire home from anywhere. Just like our imaginary butler we mentioned earlier, the SmartThings ecosystem works tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your home running smoothly. But it goes beyond just control. The system learns from your habits and preferences as well. If you usually turn on the TV and dim the lights at 8 p.m., the system will start doing so automatically. If you often forget to lock your door when you leave, I know I do that too often, it can send you a reminder or even lock it for you. Speaking of wearables, the Samsung Galaxy Watch is constantly monitoring health metrics, from heart rate to sleep patterns. Its AI algorithms process this data in real time, providing insights and alerts that can dramatically improve our well-being. For instance, it can detect if your heart rate is abnormally high and suggest relaxation exercises, or track your sleep cycles and wake you at the optimal time. The key here is that AI serves as the brain and makes sense of the vast amounts of data collected by IoT devices. It's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding it and taking meaningful action. This ambient intelligence creates an environment that's responsive to our everyday needs, often before we even realize we have them. This brings us to one of the most exciting aspects of AI and IoT convergence, which is deep personalization and predictive computing. AI's ability to personalize our experiences is similar to having a best friend who knows all of your preferences. Just as your best friend might know exactly what type of restaurant you'd like to go to for your birthday, AI systems learn your preferences to tailor recommendations and experiences specifically for you. Let's consider Samsung's AI-powered QLED TVs. They don't just offer static content recommendations. The AI analyzes your viewing history, the time of day you watch, and even ambient lighting conditions to suggest content you're likely to enjoy and automatically adjust picture settings for optimal viewing. If you often watch comedies on a Friday evening, it might suggest a new comedy series for when you turn on the TV on a Friday night. If it's a bright, sunny day, it will automatically adjust the brightness and contrast for the best viewing experience. It's kind of like having a friend who knows the perfect show to recommend and how to set up your living room for the best movie night. But perhaps the most intriguing development is predictive computing. AI isn't just reacting to our needs, it's anticipating them. Take Samsung's Family Hub refrigerator. It doesn't just keep your food cold. Its internal cameras and AI can recognize food items, track expiration dates, and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. It can learn your family's food preferences over time and help you create shopping lists, predict what you'll need before you even realize it. If you're running low on milk and eggs, it might suggest some breakfast recipes that don't require these ingredients, saving you a trip to the store. Similarly, Samsung's AI-powered navigation systems in their vehicles doesn't just show you the quickest way route-based pattern or based on distance. It predicts traffic patterns, factors in your driving habits, and even considers your frequent destinations to provide the most efficient and personalized routing. If you often stop for coffee on your way to work, it might suggest a route that passes by your favorite cafe, but only if traffic allows for that detour without it making you late. This level of personalization and prediction is transforming our interactions with technology from reactive to proactive. Instead of us constantly inputting commands and making decisions, our AI-powered devices are increasingly able to anticipate our needs and take action on our behalf. As AI and IoT reshape our world, the way we interact with technology is evolving dramatically. We're moving beyond traditional interfaces like keyboards and touchscreens to more natural and intuitive forms of interaction. The evolution of user interfaces is like the progression from Morse code to telephone to video calls. Each step made communication more easy and natural. Similarly, as we move away from keyboards to voice commands to gesture control, our interaction with technology becomes more natural and human-like. Gesture control and computer vision are opening up new possibilities for interaction. Samsung's AI-enabled cameras can recognize gestures, allowing you to take photos or control your device with a wave of a hand. Imagine your Samsung Smart TV, understanding that you've fallen asleep based on your posture and automatically turning itself off. Let's look, or try to anyways, into the future, where brain-computer interfaces are no longer science fiction. Well, they're still in their infancy. These technologies promise a future where we can control devices and interact with the digital world through thought alone. Okay, stay with me here. Imagine being able to type by just thinking of the words, controlling your smart home with your mind. Well, we're not there yet. The rapid advancements in AI and IoT are paving the way for these seemingly magical interfaces to become reality. The evolution of these interfaces is not just about making interactions with technology easier or more efficient. It's about making technology adapt to us rather than us adapting to technology. As these interfaces become more natural and intuitive, the line between the digital and physical world will continue to blur. One of the most powerful applications of AI and IoT is in decision support. By processing vast amounts of data from countless sources, AI can provide insights and recommendations that would be impossible for a human to derive alone. AI in decision support is like having an expert advisors available 24/7. Just as you consult a financial advisor, a doctor, and a career counselor before making a big life decision. AI can provide expert-level insights across multiple domains to help inform our decisions. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, planning treatments, and even predicting potential health issues before they become serious. Samsung's work in AI-powered medical imaging is a prime example. Their AI-enabled ultrasound devices can help detect abnormalities more accurately, potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and better patient outcomes. These systems can analyze images much faster than humans and can often detect subtle patterns that might be missed by the human eye. For instance, in cardiac ultrasounds, AI can help measure heart function more precisely, leading to the accurate diagnosis of conditions like heart failure. The power of AI in decision support lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and objectively. While it's not replacing human decision-making, it's augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to make more informed choices in both our personal and professional lives. All of these advancements converge to make our daily lives more convenient and efficient. The combination of AI and IoT is creating a world where many of our routine tasks are automated, freeing us to focus on what truly matters. The convenience brought by AI and IoT is comparable to the shift from, say, candles to electric lights. Just as we no longer think about the process of lighting our homes, we simply flip a switch. AI and IoT are making many aspects of our daily lives just as effortless and automatic. While the potential benefits of AI and IoT are enormous, we must also think about the significant challenges and ethical considerations. The challenges we face with AI and IoT are similar to those we encountered with the rise of social media. Just as social media brought issues of privacy, misinformation, and digital addiction, AI and IoT present their own set of complex challenges that we need to address as a society. The convergence of AI and IoT is bringing in a new era of human technology interaction. We're moving towards a world where our digital experiences are more intuitive, efficient, and more personalized than ever before. From homes that anticipate our needs to AI assistants that understand us like never before. These technologies are reshaping our relationship with the digital world. And the potential benefits are enormous, promising to enhance our productivity, health, and quality of life in countless ways. Thank you so much for joining me to uncover the possibilities of AI and IoT. Before I wrap up, I just want to note I'm going to be spending the next 30 minutes in the networking lounge. I would love for you all to come join me. Just bring your lunch, let's talk about tech, and just get to meet each other. Thank you all for your time.